Well, I think the camaraderie and the relationships and advancing people's careers, especially young individuals that are interested. I've just joined our career as a fellow trainee and junior faculty. And it's really incredible to sort of see that growth and the bonding that sort of occurs during the meeting. The second thing I love about the East Annual Scientific Assembly and East in general is if you raise your hand, you can serve. If you serve in the form of a committee or a task force, you can build. And if you build, you're likely to advance the future of East. And I think East is one of those unique organizations which really allows anyone to give back and ultimately become part of East.